students, let us start part 4, chapter 13, ways to multiply and divide, class 5. In this part, we will discuss about Santaram, a special cook. He has higher salary than the normal cook, so we will calculate his salary. This is NCERT class 5, page number 172, 173. Santaram, a special cook. Ram is a special cook who comes only on party days. Last year, he was called for only 28 days. For each day, he has to pay 165. Find out the how much money will he get. Came for 28 days and his salary is 165. So we will multiply 165 by 28. Because 28 are the days and for one day he gets 165. So in step 1, what will I do? I will multiply 165 with 8, and in second step I will multiply 165 with 20, because 28 means 20 plus 8. Okay, so let us start. 8 5s are 40, 0, 4 carry over. 8 6 are 48 and 4 52, 5 carry over. 8 1 are 8 and 5 13. As I know, when I have to calculate with the number at the end 0, so I will put 10 itself. Now I will multiply with 2 only. 2 5s are 10, carry over 1. 2 6s are 12 and 1 13. 3 carry over 1. 2 1s are 2 and 1 3. Now we will add this in third step. 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 0, 2. 3 plus 3, 6. 3 plus 1, 4. So rupees 4,620. So Santaram will get rupees 4,620 for 28 days. So what if he is called for a year? What will happen when we will call for a year? So how many days in a year? Yes, 365. In a year, days are 365. So 165 will multiply with the 365, means in first step, what is this? 300 plus 60 plus 5, that is 365. So in first step I will multiply with 5, in second step I will multiply with 6, in third step I will multiply with 300. So let us start. 5 5s are 25, 5 carry over 2, 5 6 are 30 plus 2, 32, carry over 3, 5 1 are 5 and 3, 8. Now I will have to multiply by 60, and I know if 0 is at the end, 0 we put directly. Now I will have to multiply only 6. 6 5s are 30, carry over 3, 6 6 are 36 plus 3, 39, carry over 3, 6 1 are 6 plus 3, 9. Now I have to multiply by 300. 2 zeros are there. I will put 20 itself. Then I will have to multiply only by 3. 3 5s are 15, 5 carry over 1. 3 6 are 18 plus 1, 19, carry over 1. 3 1 are 3 plus 1, 4. Now I will add this 5, 2, 8 and 9, 17 plus 5, 22, carry over 2, 9 plus 5, 9 plus 9, 14, and 9 plus 9, 18 plus 2, 20, 0, carry over 2, 4 plus 2, 6. If Santaram will be called as complete here, so he will get rupees 60,225. So let us move forward. Now find the salary of the minister and the horse rider for a year. So how much salary they get in one day? We can see from the chart. Minister get rupees 195. So in an year, minister in an year, what will happen? 195 multiply 365. Okay, so you can see, so we know 365 means 300 plus 60 plus 5. So in first step I will multiply with 5. In second step I will multiply with 60. In third step I will multiply with 300. Okay, so 5 5s are 25, carry over 2, 5 9s are 45 and 2, 47, 4, 5 and 5 plus 4, 9. Now I will multiply with 60 means I will put 0 here. Now I have to multiply with 6 only. 6 5s are 30, 0, carry over 3, 6 9s are 54 plus 3, 57, carry over 5, 6 1s are 6 and 5, 11. Now I have to multiply with 300, 2 zeros are there, I will put 2 zeros. Now I have to multiply with 3 only, 3 5s are 15, 5, carry 1, 3 9s are 27 and 1, 28, carry over 2, 3 1s are 3 and 2, 5. Now what will I have to do? I will add all these. 5, 7, 9 and 7, 16 plus 5, 16 plus 5, 21, 1, carry over 2, 8 and 1, 9 plus 2, 11, 1, carry over 1, 5, 1, 6 plus 1, 7. So salary of minister in a year is rupees 71,175. Okay, what will be the salary of horse rider? Horse rider gets rupees 76 in a day. Horse rider gets 76 in a day. So 76 multiply with 365. So what does it mean? In first step I will multiply with 5 like this. In second step I will multiply with 60. In third step I will multiply with 300. In fourth step I will add all. 5 6 are 30, carry over 3, 5 7 are 35 and 3, 38. Now 60, so I will put 10 itself. 6 6 are 36, carry over 3, 6 7 are 42 and 3, 45, 300, so I will put 2 zeros itself. 3 6 ja 18, carry over 1, 3 7 ja 21, and 1 22. 0, 8 plus 6 14, 4, carry over 1, 5 and 3 8, 8 8 16, and 1 17, carry over 1, 4 2 6 plus 1 7 2. So horse rider will get rupees 27,740 only. Sohan drinks 8 glass of water every day. How much water? 8 glass of water every day. How many glasses of water will he drink in a month? If it is January, you know, January has 31 days. So 8 glass of water in one day. So 8 into 31 glass of water in a month. 8 1 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24. Okay. If it is other than other month, for example, April has 30 days. So in this case, 30 multiply with 8, 8 0 0, 8 3 are 24. So how many glasses will he drink in a month? 248 glasses or 240 glasses. In February, there are 28 or 29 days. So how much water he will drink in February? You will answer in comment box. How many glasses of water he drink in a month? How many days in a year? 365. How many water he drinks in a day? 8 glass. So 8 5 are 40. Carry over 4. 8 6 are 48 and 4 52. Carry over 5. 8 3 are 24 and 5 29. So how many glasses of water he will drink in a year? 29 to 0. Now next question. If there are 125 people living in a colony drinking 8 glass of water in a day, how much water will they drink in a year? So there are 125 people, they drink 8 glasses of water in a day. So 125 into 8. 8 5 ja 40. Carry over 4. 8 to the 16 are 4 20. 0. Carry over 2. 8 1 ja 8 and 2 10. 1000 glasses of water in a day. Now, how much water they will drink in a year? In one day, 1000 glasses of water. In an year, 365 we can multiply. So we know we put directly zeros at the end of other number in such case. So 365 and 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Multiply number with number and put and 0 like this. 3,65,000 glasses in an year. Next, if Soha's heart beats 72 times in 1 minute, so you can understand this. A heart beats 72 times in a minute. How many times does it beat in 1 hour? So how many minutes in 1 hour? 60. Okay, multiply with 72. We will multiply 0, 0. Now I will multiply 60, so I will put 1 0 here. 6 2 ja 12, 2 carry over 1, 6 7 ja 42 and 1 43, 0 2 3 4. So how many times it beats in one day? How many times it beats in an hour? Is 4320 times hour. So how many times it beats in one day? 4320 times in a day, 4320 times in an hour. So total 24 hour in a day. So let us multiply 4320 by 24. 400, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 2 carry over 1, 4 4 is 16 and 1 17. Now I will multiply with 20, so 20 1 0 directly, 2 0 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Now I will add this 0, 8, 4 and 2 6, 7 and 6 13, 3 carry over 1, 8 and 1 9 and 1 10. 1 lakh 3680 times in a day. So our heart beats 1 lakh 3680 times in a day. Okay, count your own heartbeat to find how many times your heart beats in a week. So you have to count your heartbeat by putting your fingers on your wrist, and uh, you have to find out how many times it beats in a week. Answer you can give me in comment box. A baby elephant drinks 12 liter of milk every day. How many milk in a day? 12 liter milk in a day. How much milk will he drink in 2 years? Okay. How many days in 2 years? 365 days in 1 year. So in 2 years, 365 multiply by 2. 2 5s are 10. 1, 2 6 are 12 and 1 13. 1, 2 3 are 6 and 1 7. 730 days. In one day, 12 liters. So how many liters in 730 days? We will multiply 730 with 12. Okay, 12 means 10 plus 2, 200, 2 3 are 6, 2 7 are 14. 100, 1 3 are 3, 1 7 are 7. Now I will add 0, 6, 7, 7 and 1 8. So the elephant will drink 8,760 liters of milk in 2 years. Baby whale drinks around 200 liters of milk in a day. In a day. Okay. This baby whale drinks 200 liters of milk in a day. Just imagine how much milk that it is. 200 liters, you know, several. Our home has a tanky of 200 liters. So it is quite high in amount. Find out in how many days your family would use 200 liter of milk. So how many days you will take to consume 200 liter milk? Okay, let us think. We use 2 liter of milk in a day. Different family can have different capacity of consuming milk. I take 2 liter of milk in a day. So 200 liter total milk, and I have to divide it with 2. 2 liter in a day. So zeros are separate in answer. 2 1 ja 2. So 100 days. If our family consumes 2 liter of milk in a day, so we will have to take 100 days to complete the 200 liter milk. So you can think how large amount it is. If your family is consuming more than 2 liter of milk, you can comment how much days you require to finish the 200 meter link. How much milk would a baby blue whale drink in 8 months? Okay, 200 liter in a day. How much milk it will drink 8 months? So let us start month with any 31. How many months? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these many days in 8 months. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. This is repeated addition. Repeated addition means multiplication. 3 8 ja 2 for 24. So here it will be 24. Okay. So how many milk it will drink in 244 days? So 200 multiply by 244. I have told you if there are zeros at the end, we just put it in the answer. We multiply number with number. So 244 multiply with 2. 2 4 ja 8. 2 4 ja 8. 2 2 ja 4. And this 20 in the answer. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now. Thank you.